Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gullus in the kitchen. Today now I am making an easy method of ragi mudda, and it's made by finger millets powder. Making to the powder, then it's an ragi flour, finger millets flour, and salt, rice, and I am making a spicy chutney, tomato dices, and dry red chilies. You can see the full ingredients. It's a ragi flour, finger millets flour, salt, and rice. It's for ragi mudda, and little bit of ghee also for binding. For spicy chutney, dry chilies, tamarind, cumin seeds, tomato dices, and this is the recipe for a ragi mudda and a spicy chutney. Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. First take the vessel, switch on the flame, then pour water, boil it, next add salt little bit, and ghee, biscuit, for adding directly rice. It's a very easy process too, and it's for binding method. You can bind it easily, the ragi balls. So smash it nicely, then add ragi flour. Now rice is boiled, cooked, then add ragi flour and whisk it nicely without lumps. And keep it in low flame, then whisk it. Don't add extra water, it will come to the juicy texture. You can see now. Then add little bit of ghee on top also, and whisk it. Finally, ragi flour with rice is cooked. Then keep it in a side for 5 minutes to chill. Then make a round balls. Then take the plate, add the ghee, coat it nicely, and for hands also apply the oil. It's very heat, and you can use for binding also. Make like this. Then I am taking one ragi mudda. See, make like this ragi. Keep like this, and one more ragi mudda. I'm totally making 3 ragi muddas to show and follow the recipe. If you like this, see how much easy it is. 2 ragi mudda, and finally that. Wow. Three ragi mudda you can easily make in home also with only 5 minutes recipe. Now I am making a spicy chutney with this. You can add non-veg chicken, natukodi chicken, country chicken, whatever you want. But I am now, for the combination, I am making spicy chutney. Ragi mudda is over. Now I am doing spicy chutney for ragi mudda combination. Add oil. Keep roast it in a low flame. Next add cumin seeds and fry it nicely. Then add tamarind, little bit, then tomatoes, fry it nicely. Add a little bit of salt. Next add red chilies and fry it nicely. Next add little bit of water. Three cups is enough. And cook it in water for 5 minutes on low flame and keep a deccan. Then grind the red chilies and make it into a fine paste. Jeera. Then add a little bit of salt. Finally add mint leaves. It's an pudina into this chutney. Wow, you can see how it looks. And cook it for one more. Sorry, grind it. Not cook it. Okay, spicy chutney, you can see for ragi sangati is best combination. I am taking into this bowl ragi mudda. It's lots of health benefits with finger millets flour. I'm adding with chutney. It's a spicy is getting and very spicy too. You can add a lemon water or tamarind extra if you have any very spicy. Nice. Thanks for watching too.